This is a 2-3 defense. The goal of a 2-3 defense is to contain the offense, trap in the corners, and get steals. The formation, the 1 and the 2 line up at the elbows between the elbow and the 3-point line. The 5 is right in the middle of the key. The 3 and the 4 line up down low. It's important for 3 and 4 positions. If they have a post player, it's important that you do not let the post player get in front of you. So if the post player tries to get in front of you, you want to make sure that you're in front of him. If he pops out to the middle of the key, then you don't worry about him. But if he goes down low, you should always be in front of the player. If they bring the ball out and they make that initial pass to a wing, the 1 needs to come and meet the player right at the 3-point line. Put some pressure on. Slide, bend your knees, get your hands up. When that happens, the 2 takes a couple of steps up and protects this area. The 5 shifts over. The 4 shifts over. Again, you're moving towards the ball. The 3 stays in the same area. Doesn't move yet. If the ball swings back to the point guard, you get back in your formation. If the ball goes to the right, you quickly slide over. The 2 meets the ball right at the 3-point line. The 1 shifts over. The 5 shifts over. 4 stays in this area. The 3 shifts over and protects the basket. The goal is to get the other team to make the pass in the corner. These corners are the areas that we're going to trap on a 2-3. So if the player gets the ball on the corner, as soon as that pass gets there, the 2 and the 4 simultaneously need to go and trap the player and not give him an angle to get to the basket. So you have to close the trap, and the 4 should put one leg close to the out of bounds line so the player cannot get around. So this is a trap right here. When this trap happens, the 5 needs to shift over and protect the basket on this corner. The 3 now plays the position of the 5 in the middle. And the 1 most likely will be the 1 who will get the steal. So in a trap, the opposing team will most likely throw a lob pass. A lob pass gives you, the defender, a lot of time to calculate it and make a steal. And that's it. And that's the goal of a 2-3 defense. If in a 2-3 defense, let's get back into our formation. If they have a post player who comes up top, so let's say this player comes to the top and gets the initial pass or one of the passes from the wings, so gets that pass. The 5 should come up not too far up, not beyond the free throw, just right here, and stop the ball. When that happens, it is the responsibility of the 3 and the 4 to now protect the basket since the 5 is no longer there. It's extremely important that you look and make sure that there's no one running behind you, because if you stay back here and you have a player who runs up, this is an easy basket. So you have to come up and help the 5 out if he has to step up.